Hi, I'm Chef Carl and welcome to my home. And today, in honor of the Bears going to the Super Bowl...
Carl, they're not going to the Super Bowl.
What?
They missed it.
Okay, in honor of the Bears being in the playoffs...
Carl, they missed that too.
In honor of getting the first draft pick for being the worst team in all the leagues.
There you go. That they did.
Okay, we're going to make flaming cheese. It's called Saganaki. And they use Kasari cheese. And I'll show you how to do it. We'll be right back, folks. Hi, Chef Carl here. As you know, I always ask you to support our military and first responders. Our sponsors, Janet Churchill Britt and her husband, Doug Britt, are with Keller Williams Realty here in Kennewick and are offering significant savings to all hero groups when you sell or buy a home. This includes all military, active, reserve, and veterans. Also, law enforcement, teachers, and all frontline employees. Give them a call and tell them that Chef Carl sent you.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back. And this is the cheese they use. It's Kasari cheese. Valley's the grocery store here. It just calls it Saganaki cheese. And it's about $5.50 for about 8 ounces. Take the package out, let it temper out a little bit because it's kind of a brittle cheese. And then you just cut through. I would say you go ahead and cut the cheese, but that doesn't sound quite right. Right? Cut the cheese. Alright, I'm dipping it in water for about 30 seconds. And then I have flour here, just plain flour. I add a little salt, a little grind of pepper, black pepper, and we're just going to kind of coat this . Just kind of brush off any excess flour. Okay. So now what we're going to do is take this floured Kasari cheese or Saganaki cheese, and we've let it sit a couple of minutes, and we're going to put some olive oil and butter in the saute pan behind me. We're going to cook it about 3 minutes on each side, flip it over, brown it again, and then we're going to put it on the plate. And but before I put it on the plate, I'm going to flambe it with some cognac. You know me, fire, fire, fire. We got the fire department on call, and then I put out the fire with a fresh lemon. So let's get to it. Okay, now we're going to put the olive oil just a bit. Couple tablespoons. About 4 pats of butter. Let's get this heat on high. And when you're cooking, make sure the handle's not out because you can flip it over. Just a safety tip. Now, the last time I flambéed, I had a 5-foot flame. We were making the steak au poivre with pommes frites. And it scared the, you know what, out of me. And it's where I put fire, fire, fire. And then when I went out, he goes, whoa, out, you know, nice. Okay, the butter and olive oil are starting to sizzle, so it's time to put the Kasari cheese in the frying pan. I'm sorry, saute pan, that sounds more elegant. I think think I'm going to do 2 at a time. And so it takes about 3 minutes of sauteing on each side. And when you flip it, it's nice and brown, and give it another 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long, otherwise it's going to, and that's a technical term. Another minute.
Nice roll.
Now we got nice brown on there. We'll let this cook a couple minutes. And then we shall flambe. Got fire department on speed dial. Okay, now I'm going to pour about 3/4 a shot of cognac. Hoppa! Beautiful. Let the alcohol burn off. A little fresh lemon on it. Turn the heat off. And folks, this is pretty darn good. And then this is naan bread and I think, it's an Indian, like, almost like a pita bread, but softer. See how nice gooey this is? Okay, Ward. Gonna give you a piece of this. There you go. And like I said,
sticky.
well, we'll throw back to the 70s and 80s, so I hope I can bring it back. It's so darn good. Well, yeah. There's a lot, baby. So this is Chef Carl saying, I appreciate you guys watching me. Give my friend Chillin' and Grillin' and Chillin' with Mojo. He's helped me out get more subscribers. So give him a look and tell him Chef Carl sent you. And our next appetizer is going to be stuffed jalapeno poppers, and it's going to be great. So go Bears, and I love you guys. Bye.